Hey everybody, here's a quick video on how to set up assignments in Google Classroom. Now assignments are like the bread and butter of Google Classroom. They are how you distribute, collect, and give feedback on student work. To get to your assignments in your Google Classroom, click the Classwork button, and here you will see assignments that have already been added to this Google Classroom. We have an assignment that is a discussion question, and we have an assignment that requires students to complete an attached HyperDoc. So let's go through how to set up an assignment. Click the green Create button and choose what type of assignment you want to make. For the discussion question type assignments, choose Question. For the HyperDoc assignments or any other assignment that you want students to turn work into you, whether that be something in Google or a video or something, you want to make an assignment. So click on Assignment, and we are off. So you'll give your assignment a title. We'll just call this one Test Assignment real quick. And then we will put really explicit directions in here. And those are the two biggest tips. Give your title a very clear, or give your assignment, a very, very clear title. And even sometimes you can add a date if you would like. Some teachers do, some teachers don't. It's totally up to you. Instructions, be very explicit. So for example, what are the students to do? When is it due? What are the criteria for the assignment ready to be turned in? All these things are very important. To add materials to your assignment, you can click the Paperclip Add button, and you can add things from your Google Drive, a link to something, you can upload a file, and even do a YouTube video. We're going to do one of the more popular choices, Google Drive, right now. So you can click on that, and you can attach anything in Google Drive to that assignment. So we'll do this Earth Day HyperDoc here. And here we're going to choose some very important settings. We're going to choose for students being able to view the file, students being able to edit the file, or make a copy for each student. If you select the students can view file, it says what it does. The students can simply look at it. For edit the file, all the students will be able to have a link to edit the exact same file. This is helpful for collaboration, but not so great for individual assignments. For individual assignments, you want to choose Make a Copy for Each Student. This will make a unique copy for each student in the classroom and is one of the best features of Google Classroom. Next up, we want to take a look at the details for where we're going to assign this. So we're going to assign it to this classroom, but you can also check and assign it to multiple classrooms at the same time, which is wonderful. If you assign it to one classroom, you can choose what students you want to assign it to, so you can differentiate instruction that way. You can assign a point value to it. I mostly leave mine ungraded because we don't use Google Classroom for our main grades. A due date. Due dates are very, very important. Every assignment should have a due date on it. So we will choose a due date of a week from today. And a topic. Every assignment should also be assigned a topic. This will help keep your Google Classroom organized. You can also attach a rubric you make or upload a rubric. And you can also do an originality report to help clamp down on plagiarism. If you want to learn more about that, you can click the Learn More link right there. All right, so we're ready to assign it. You can click the Assign button, or you can choose this drop-down menu to schedule it or save it as a draft. So right now we are going to just go ahead and straight up assign it. And it is off. So there we go. We have our test assignment, which has been added to our topic of today, June 16th, 2020. So that's how you make an assignment in Google Classroom.